Okay, let's try this again. Okay, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I literally tried filming this video yesterday, and I was just rambling on for so long that I'm gonna completely scrap all of that footage. Doesn't really matter, but yeah, I don't know. I am in a weird mood. I'm just outside still doing some yard work. Yesterday I was doing yard work. I was filming a little bit while I was doing that, but that's hence the reason why I'm sweaty in the garage right now. Long story short, the channel and everything that's going on with it. I've been doing this now for many years now, and my growth on this channel has seemed to have been stagnant. Very stagnant. It is consistent, but it's slow and steady. Cars are still my passion. I love doing it. I love this stuff, but I always feel like I'm not the best car YouTuber, if I'm being honest with myself. I'm not the best. Hence the reason why we started up our theme park channel, which I'm having a lot of fun on that. Just, I don't know, going out and doing stuff like that, which I love that. It's been fun doing that. That's actually has some pretty good growth right now. But my main channel, I guess I'm kind of in like a funk. I'm not fully sure what direction should I go in. I love doing car stuff. It is one of my passions in life, but I also feel like maybe this isn't what I should be doing. Maybe this isn't the niche. Maybe this isn't the field what I should be doing. So I don't know. I mean, I'm trying to mix in a little bit of just normal lifestyle stuff, like videos like this where I'm just talking about my life. But I think most people go through periods of time like this where you're just kind of in like a funk and you don't really know quite what to do. So I understand that this is quite normal, but I don't know. I'm definitely feeling it like I don't know what to do with this channel anymore. I don't really know if any of this even matters, if anything matters really at all. That being said, I'm still not gonna stop uploading because I love doing it. It's something I've done for years, so I'm gonna continue to do that. I continue to do this on this channel and on the theme park channel, which the theme park channel says we've been having so much fun doing that. A part of me kind of wishes that I would have just flipped the niche on this channel to that, but I still want to get a project car for the channel. I think that would be great. I think that would re-spark a lot of that emotion and like fun and just, I don't know, creativity again. I feel like the Jeep right now, it's pretty well set up. Like, it's honestly great. I love it the way it is. A couple things I still want to do to it to make it more, you know, overland worthy, but I think it's great right now. I think the only thing I really have to do is just really continue to do trips in it, and something I do want to do, but at this moment in time we just haven't really been doing it. So I guess that's kind of like just on me to just kind of like go for it. The Mustang is great. I mean, the Velociren's going on the channel, but the Mustang's here is great. Plenty of content we could do on that for sure, and we do have stuff planned. We do have stuff planned for it. But I think honestly, I really think I should just get a project car for sure. I think that's what I really need to do. As I'm just talking through this, my own self, I'm just having the camera. This again, I'm starting to ramble on and on and on, so let me not do that. The point is though, I don't know. I think I still want to continue to do the car stuff. I'm not the best car YouTuber, that's for sure, because I'm definitely, I mean, it's kind of hard to, honestly, it comes to a point where like people only want to see people who are doing illegal stuff on the streets. That's just not me. I guess that's gonna hurt my growth, because if that's what the mass people want to see. They want to see people going out inside Hellcats doing donuts and doing illegal stuff and doing the street takeover and stuff like that. That's just not me. It never has been me. I like having fun, but I just don't like doing it inside like a stupid way because I have too much to lose, and also like I don't want to kill someone. So that is, you know, that's just me personally. But so I think it is hard. And then track stuff that was the end goal for me. I always want to do track stuff, and that's what I really want. I want a project car that can be a canyon car / track car. We can do work on, continue to build and get better and perfect, you know, my skills and everything like that. But I guess honestly, that is what I have to do. That's what I'm gonna have to do. Like, honestly, I think that would be the content that I'm gonna have to do. So anyways, this is a rambling video. I'm gonna stop rambling on. I'm gonna just stop rambling on, but I honestly don't really know. Who knows? Maybe I won't even upload this video. Like the last two videos I did when I was just filming myself. Didn't even edit them, didn't even upload them because they were just trash. Who knows? I don't know. No, I'm gonna upload this one. I have no idea anymore.